Today we are talking about the Freewell variable ND filters to get results like this. Hey guys, so when flying the drone, the most crucial accessory is some ND filters. So after I've got the drone set up, I always have some ND filters with me. Now normally I have the individual ND filters in a pack, something like this. If you don't use ND filters, your footage is going to be washed out and too bright, just like these clips now. So for that reason, I always take the lens cover off and replace it with an ND filter. But variable filters are great as you can adjust the f-stop on this circular wheel. Therefore, there's no carrying around lots of different filters with you, and you don't have to keep taking the filter on and off to get the right look. You can adjust it on the fly with this circular wheel. You get two filters in the pack, 2 to 5 stop and 6 to 9 stop. Now 2 to 5 are equivalent to an ND 4 to 32 and 6 to 9 is ND 64 up to ND 400, so a massive range. Now I love these filters as I often use between ND 4 and ND 32 on all my footage. So now I don't have to keep replacing them or changing the filters. Therefore they are fast and convenient, and the quality is also brilliant. I'm using Freewell now on pretty much all of my drones and cameras. So now that we've got these filters on the drone, let's get this drone in the air. As you can see, it's a bright day, so I'm going to keep this on 5 stops. That's then equivalent to an ND 32, and you can get this really cinematic look with motion blur, and it's not overexposed. If you want to change it down to 4 stops, I can just rotate that wheel without having to take it off. Okay, so now I've shown you on this, let's see what that footage looks like. So after some flying around, I've brought my new favourite charger. This is small and lightweight, and in between flights or moving locations, I can charge the drone, including the large battery on the DJI Mavic 3. You can plug directly into the 2 sockets on the front. It's also got USB-C, 2 USB-A ports, and even a built-in torch. You can even attach a solar panel to this. The ports are fast charge, so it's super fast to give your devices a boost. Now, being lightweight, I'm literally taking this everywhere with me, and it's going to give me 1000 watts capacity to charge not only the drones but cameras, the RC Pro, different devices. Brilliant. So now that I've given the DJI Mavic 3 a boost, we can now get ready for action again and get this back in the air. I even gave my daughter a go for 10 seconds. I then bumped into these bikers, so obviously I had to get their permission for this shot. I'm sure you'll agree that these shots came out great, even in these bright conditions. These ND filters are super easy to use. If you want to check them out, I'll put them in the description below, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this footage. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. There's a load more footage coming really soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.